Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and today we're going to talk about differentials. Now this happens to be a 9-inch moser, and a couple weeks ago we did a short video on a Fab9 moser that was going to be for a Grand National. And this one here is a Fab9, but this is going on a 65 GTO. And so we thought we'd take a minute and show you what's going on here for the GTO in the Fab9. Now we'll start off, we've got the aluminum center section. He's running, of course, we're going to run the large yoke, the 1350 yoke. You know, true track. And this particular unit here has also been narrowed a little bit. He's going to run slicks. And on the bottom mounts, as you see right here, Moser has the multi-hole bracket system right here, and that's for your lower control arm. And the positioning of that, or where you bolt it in for the lower control arm, of course, affects your anti-squat and your IC point. Very important in a drag race environment. Of course, we have our bearing system up at the top, which is an SP47M. Wheel with disc brakes. He's going to be running a 15-inch rim, so we went with the 12-inch. And he also, because it's a Fab9 and we are going to run coilover, we had to put a back brace on. Now, there's different length back braces. Now, when we did the Grand National, he wasn't going to use a coilover. And so the back brace on a Fab9 is fairly long, and we'll show you a picture of that. But on this GTO that we're doing, he's going to run a rear coilover system. So that if you were to order a Fab9 with the regular brace that they have, the coilover will actually interfere with the brace. So on this particular model, they also offer a shortened one for the coilover, which is what we have on here. We'll spin this around so you see it. It allows the coilover to go on with no trouble whatsoever. Now we have new brackets for this type of mount. We do make the Moser coilover bracket system already, but not for the multi-hole, for their standard mount with the single hole. But with the multi-hole now, we have just come up with another bracket system or mounting system for the coilover. We're pretty excited about it. So in our next video, that's what we're going to talk to you about, is the new coilover for the multi-hole lower mounts on the Moser differentials. And of course, that'll have our cross motor at the top and everything for additional strength, which is required on those particular vehicles. It's a good thing to have. When we spin this around, take a look at this. You'll see what I'm talking about, the brace. 65 GTO, Fab9. Let's have a look. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.